Have you ever used your phone or tablet at home or at school and noticed there aren't any wires, but the internet still works? Isn't it amazing how you can go online without any cords? That's all thanks to something called Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi uses special signals to send information, even though we can't see them with our eyes. Today, we're going to discover the secret of how the internet works without wires. Let's find out all about Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi uses invisible signals called radio waves. These signals fill up the room around us, just like a gentle breeze or the sweet smell of flowers, even though we can't see them. The Wi-Fi box in your house is called a router. It works kind of like a tiny radio station, sending signals all over the room. The router spreads the signals out in every direction, just like a speaker blasting music so everyone can hear. Your phone or tablet catches these signals. And that's how you can use the internet and have fun online. But do you think these signals can reach everywhere, no matter how far? Let's see what happens when Wi-Fi has to travel a long way. As the Wi-Fi signal moves around the room, it runs into things like walls and doors. Every time the signal passes through something, it gets a little weaker. That's why your Wi-Fi is really strong when you're close to the router, but it can get weak in the kitchen or in rooms far away. If your house has thick walls or lots of walls, it's even harder for the signal to travel. That's when it might slow down or stop working for a bit. So, how do your devices actually send and receive information with Wi-Fi? Let's find out how Wi-Fi signals carry messages back and forth. Wi-Fi signals are invisible to us, but our devices know how to talk to each other using a special code. It's kind of like sending secret letters between friends. The information travels hidden inside the Wi-Fi signal, just like a secret message. When your phone or tablet wants to use the internet, it sends a signal to the router asking for help. The router finds the information and sends it back. The Wi-Fi signal works like a speedy mail carrier, delivering your messages back and forth. That's why you can look at pictures or watch videos on your device without any wires. Thanks to Wi-Fi, we get to use the internet all around the house, free to move wherever we want. Let's go over what we learned today one more time. Thanks to Wi-Fi, we can use the internet in the living room, in our bedrooms, or anywhere we want, all without any messy wires. So, whether you're doing homework at your desk or watching videos on your bed, you don't have to worry about getting tangled up in cords. The Wi-Fi signal quietly travels all around us, bringing the information we need right to our devices. We have such a convenient world because of Wi-Fi. I can't wait to share another fun story with you next time.